crawls billions of web pages per day.
Yeah, and not only that, but Google is heavily investing in AI technology. So all this future stuff that you read about AI happening, it's not the future. It's here already.
It's here. It's happening, guys. So a few months ago, Google actually generated their own recipes based off of this AI technology. So what they did was they went to a bunch of different recipe websites, they scanned them, and they took the best information from those recipes and created their own. And we have it right here.
We're going to be making this today.
It's called the Keiki.
The Keiki. So this is a robot recipe. Again, robot created this recipe.
Yeah, not your grandma, not your mom. A robot created this. And we want to know, how intelligent is Google? Are they actually creating stuff that we want to eat that tastes good? We're going to try it out. And by we, I mean me. I'm going to be doing all the baking in this situation.
It's got butter and chocolate chips. I don't care about anything else. That'll be good.
He will do the eating. I will do the baking, and I'll test it out too. But we're going to try it out and see if this recipe is actually worth it.
Let's get to it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we made the cake. We let it cool. Now Mark's going to try it.
I will be the guinea pig, and I'm okay with that. All right, so I'm just going to go on in. Let's see.
How is
That's
it?
pretty good. For an AI cookie cake thingy, it's pretty good. It's it definitely tells a lot of butter in it. Butter and chocolate chips was like the two things that I knew was in the recipe, and yeah, it's pretty good. 8 out of 10.
Not too bad. You can kind of taste the olive oil in it. If I was to make this recipe myself, I probably wouldn't have used olive oil. I would have used vegetable oil, but it's a weird combination between a cookie and a cake. It's exactly what you would expect it to be. It's a cakey.
You can definitely taste all the butter in it.
Yeah. And there's like that hint of olive oil that you can taste, because olive oil is such a strong oil. So if I were to do it again, I'd probably just use vegetable oil, but it's not bad. So this was a fun video, not like our typical videos that we normally do, but we wanted to make this recipe because it's an interesting experiment that Google is doing, and it goes to show you how intelligent Google is nowadays. They were able to create their very own recipe just by scouring the internet for other recipes. That means that as a small business owner, you really do need to focus on creating valuable content for your users. If you're still trying to trick the system and get a leg up on Google, it's just not going to work. Google really can differentiate between content that is good and bad. So when you're creating blog posts, videos, podcasts, whatever it is you're doing for your online marketing for your small business, keep in mind that value wins over everything. And Google's AI is only going to get more sophisticated. Their algorithm is only going to get stronger. And you're just going to have to really concentrate on creating the value for your customers if you want to succeed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We'll put the recipe down below so you can try to make the keiki yourself. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell for whenever we upload a new video. Bye!